Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone gets overheated after the latest update of iOS 16.4.1, then do the following steps to reduce the overheating issue in your iPhone in latest iOS version. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to remove the iPhone case. Then if your iPhone is get overheated while charging, then you have to check your lightning cable and the charger as well, and we must have to use the original lightning cable and the original charger. If none of these, then do the following steps. Number 1, launch settings, then tap privacy, location services, and turn off location services, and also tracking, turn off allow app to request to track. Then go back to settings and tap on screen time, turn off screen time as well. And also we have to tap on general and tap background app refresh, tap again background app refresh, and turn off background app refresh. The next thing that we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi, go to general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Here we have to keep in mind one more thing. The Bluetooth is also case of overheating in your iPhone. If your Bluetooth is not connected to any device, then turn off the Bluetooth while your iPhone is cooled down. If none of these is not working, then what we have to do, we have to force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If you are feeling that iPhone is get overheated with the specific app, then update this app. After updating, if you're still facing, then remove the app and reinstall. In the end, do the final step. We have to launch settings, then tap general and tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off and turn off your iPhone for a couple of hours, and your iPhone is completely cooled down. Then turn on and plug back to for charging with the original lightning cable and the original charger. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.